Today in India, 1 in 4 adult Indians is hypertensive. So it is not just critical that we get hypertension treatment and control to every Indian, but really those Indians who are living in the last mile. So today was a very memorable moment when we launched the drone access program, getting medications to far outlying areas within the state of Uttarakhand with the delivery of hypertension medication to Chamba. So I really want to thank AIIMS Rishikesh for this partnership and really hope that we can grow this model across the country.